Well, hello, this is Ed Roselle, Paws Marketing, coming to you again in a short video. This time this video is about what it is that affiliate marketers, what do they promote? Wow, we just had a little limb crash the house, but it's no big deal. A little bit of wind here, not too much right now. Anyway, that's what this video is about, is what do we promote? And well, there's a lot of choices in what we promote, and probably the easiest thing is to promote the things that you use in your business every day. And any business uses a lot of things that can be promoted through affiliate links. It's amazing how much is actually available to do that with. But as an affiliate marketer, since we use ClickFunnels to build our landing pages and sometimes the sales pages and other things that we're doing, whether it's a full training class or whatever, can all be built using the ClickFunnels. And these are all promotable items. If you create something yourself using ClickFunnels that has a value, and you can promote that as something to sell for people to sell and buy and learn. The other areas that are most prevalent is lead generation, lead capture. In other words, gathering up information about a lead, their email address, phone number, name, whatever it is that you need to know about that person, and then as they progress through your funnel, you turn them into a customer. So there's the email aspects. The autoresponders are all, whether it's Aweber, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, GetResponse, or even Actionetics MD, which is part of ClickFunnels, but it's an extended part. And once that is installed, you're up at the maximum level, $297 a month of the ClickFunnels subscription. But Actionetics is much more than an autoresponder. There's a lot of other features that are really pretty cool. They're fairly advanced, but that's for a larger store, it's larger business. It would be very useful. Other things are things like tracking leads coming in. When you drive traffic to your funnel to capture the lead, we use ClickMagic to track those leads coming in. We can even track it all the way through the funnel if you set it up completely. At the beginning, you really don't need to do all that, but it's good to be able to track whether the lead is coming from email ads or Facebook or whatever. You can track these leads coming in, and start to build up some statistics and some data on the quality and traffic and where they are, that kind of thing. There's even in the getting together of domain names. There are some places like GoDaddy that actually does have a affiliate. You can sign up as an affiliate with GoDaddy. You can we often use G Suite to make up a email address. It's just, there's so many things that are like that and that we use. Even the traffic sources that we use. One of the most prevalent, which is an email list driven traffic source, is called Udemy, UDIMI. UDIMI. Udemy, and there's another one called Traffic for Me. They're very similar and have different capabilities. So both of those are affiliates. There are other things that any business would use, especially those that have to do a lot of writing. One of my favorites is called Grammarly. It's much more than a spell checker. It'll do that too, but it also checks grammar, sentence structure, makes recommendations on a word change here and there that may be better suited for what you're trying to say. So it's a very good aid to me. I use it in writing ads and writing emails and a lot of things. If you're into Pinterest and pin a lot, there's a thing called Tailwinds. You can, in a few minutes, you can set up a schedule of pins that would automatically execute over the next few weeks, and you just let it go and let it rip. And so there's all kinds of ways, but Tailwinds also gives you access to tribes on which you can create a tribe for yourself and attract people into it. But these tribes are organized around a certain concept or an idea or a function, and like bloggers and like do-it-yourself things, that kind of thing at a high level. But joining these tribes gives you a tremendous advantage in pinning, because it spreads your exposure far and wide. So there's, but the Tailwind itself is another subscription software that it has a monthly subscription, and it's an affiliate product also. So these, particularly the ones with the monthly subscriptions, are good because they tend to generate monthly MRR, monthly recurring revenue, which we also call passive income, and that's highly desired in this business. So there's other things like as a business gets started and grows, and the income starts and the revenue starts flowing, quite often it's necessary for the person, that proprietor, to set up his own corporation. Whether it's an LLC or just a corporation is can be discussed, but most of the time you start out with an LLC, which is still a corporation. It's just a limited liability corporation. Well, to set that up, you need something that goes to your whatever state you're going to set the business up in. The easy way to do that is to go into LegalZoom and have them help you. Well, LegalZoom itself has an affiliate program. Wow. So there's another one. There's all kinds of things hidden there. And if you're looking for products, all kinds of products. There's products on ClickBank in every niche, and some on JVZoo and Warrior Plus and so on. Although the JVZoo and Warrior Plus are primarily software that is used in a business, whether it's making videos or doing something, solving a problem of some kind. But stores like Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, even Chase can be some kind. I don't know what their affiliate program is, but I know it's available. So that's what it is. So we promote what we use first, and pick up other things as our heart desires. And we thank you very much for listening. And I'm going to sign off now. But if you see this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. And I'll see you on another video. Bye.